morning, afternoon, evening, forever you're watching. And welcome back once again to the Making Masters, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. Come along, we have something very interesting today. Factorizing larger expression. If I have a large expression like this and I want to factorize it, the first thing I look at, in this place you have 2b plus 3c, and I also have 2b plus 3c, represented by a letter. You say let 2b plus 3c be equals to p. So anywhere we see p, 2b plus 3c, we put p. So this becomes 4a into bracket p plus 3z into bracket p. So this is 4ap plus 3zp. Now, what is common between them? P. So bring it out. So this is p into bracket 4a plus 3z. Now, we are pretty much done. Replace the value of p, since you said let p be this. So replace the value of p with 2p plus 3c. So the answer will be 2b plus 3c into bracket 4a plus 3z.